take your pet to lunch day. I wish I had a pet, but they make me sneeze. Their fur brings out my allergy. Oh, it's okay. What pets are you fellas bringing?
Smarter than a dolphin or a dog. Meet Smarty Pants, my pet hedgehog.
Oh, Giselle, that's my decision. But I refuse to wobble exposition.
Deal harmonies or what, baby?
Bringing Fearless, that's my plan. If I can just get his head out of the sand.
Doopty, here's the thing. Which furry friend will Dopey bring?
The kangaroo?
The caribou.
The fur...
Everybody, it's time to eat. Bring your pet and grab a seat. Pour the slop and pass the hay. It's take your pet to lunch. What a day! It's take your pet to lunch.
Yeah, sorry.
Winkers, too bad you don't have a pet.
And you can't go to the Queen's luncheon.
We'll bring you a doggy bag.
Hey, how about a pet clam? You can name him Clammy.
Thanks, Grumpy, but I'm allergic to
You're the reason we can't have nice things.
Only breathe fire when I give this command. Oops, wrong command. At least nothing got toasted.
I'll need some cover. Sprout us, grow out us, about us.
Oh, no. Chrysanthemum. I've got allergies, and I'm not afraid to use them.